Are there any girls like me who get especially conflicted when choosing a car, especially when choosing a car with their partner? Because you see, what do guys focus on when choosing a car? Power, right? Whether the car looks cool or not. But who pays attention to the small details that girls truly care about? I think this time we can take a look at how the Dongfeng Aeolus L8Y captures the small details that girls care about. Whether for guys or girls, I think the demand for aesthetics is consistent. Especially for girls, appearance is definitely the most important. So today we see the Aeolus L8Y. I think the first sensory aspect that really hits me is its color scheme. This time, the L8Y offers 5 colors to choose from. The one we are shooting today is called Glazed Purple. This name also has a very Chinese style. First, the front fascia features a pass-through headlight assembly. I think no one would dislike a glowing logo, right? And when the crystal headlights are turned on, they are also very sparkling and impressive. Since this is a pure electric vehicle, its overall front fascia adopts a new energy design style, including an active intake grille below that reduces its wind resistance coefficient. From the side, its wheelbase is 2,775 millimeters. Although this wheelbase size sounds quite standard in this class. Its interior space is done pretty well. Then, I think on the overall exterior. It adopts a design style of thinking and gathering, actually. This time, Dongfeng Aeolus came fully prepared, launching 3 variants for models of the same class, and later we will also shoot another plug-in hybrid model for this model. Its rear end is also a place where I think the highlight is quite beautiful. Inside, it has a texture like Swarovski crystal, which is also very beautiful. This time, the Aeolus L8Y's paint texture is done very well, because the paint thickness is great. When light hits it in our studio, that sense of premium quality immediately stands out. So no matter which of these 5 colors you choose, whether you are suitable for bright colors, or suitable for business travel or home use, there is always one that meets your needs. Here comes the key point, which is also its biggest selling point this time. Currently, I estimate the price of this car to be around the $14,000 level. What hits me most is that both the driver and front passenger seats are identical seat position seats. Maybe the driver's seat had more configurations because of the focus on driving comfort, while the front passenger seat might require optional add-ons for certain features, including seat ventilation and massage. But this time, both the driver and front passenger seats are equally important. I think for girls sitting in the front passenger seat, this feeling is just fantastic. Next, let's talk about the materials. The front row features 2 identical Cloud Soft big sofas, the Aeolus L8Y's front row has 2 identical Cloud Soft big sofas. After sitting in, I feel the wraparound support is great and extremely soft. It has 10 layers of filled soft material, using 40% more material than the industry average. The surface feels like baby-grade skin-friendly PVC material. So if you have sensitive skin or a baby, you don't need to worry about direct contact at all. Furthermore, there's a really great feature inside the car. The entire interior uses zero-formaldehyde eco-friendly materials. And there's also a 6-second rapid air purification function. So you don't have to worry about excessive odors inside the car. First, we can see that its front seats are wider than those of the same class. This width gives you a particularly good sense of wraparound support once you sit down. The second point is the 4-way lumbar support. We can see that this area is made very high, providing a perfect curved fit to support your waist and contour to your back. The third point is in lengthened leg support. The fourth point is the thickened shoulder support. As we can see, it feels very solid to the touch. The fifth point is the sleep headrest. Actually, when sitting in the front passenger seat, especially when reclining the seat back, whether the headrest is comfortable is crucial. Many models adopt the approach of adding a soft headrest cushion or pad, but this one is built directly into the seat. With it built in, your whole head I'm swaying left and right now doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. It's really great. The last point is its widened side bolster support, right here. It ensures that when driving or riding in the car, the support on both sides is handled extremely well. These are its 6 major white technology enhancements. These seats underwent continuous 24-hour compression by bionic machines over the past 2 months, enduring up to 2 million compressions to guarantee that the seats won't collapse or deform. So for us, Dongfeng Aeolus promises that after 10 years, your seats will still remain as comfortable as day one. In terms of seat comfort, both the driver and front passenger seats in the front row offer seat ventilation, heating, and massage functions. The massage feature has 3 intensity levels and 8 massage modes to choose from. I think the pre-drilled original threaded bracket hole in front of the front passenger seat is great. It makes it convenient for girls to attach fill lights, flashlights, or phone mounts themselves. This kind of original factory expansion handles those small, thoughtful details very well. Opening the central armrest box reveals its hot and cold armrest box. While I feel it doesn't reach the storage or heating levels of a dedicated refrigerator. Putting a cold cup of milk tea or coffee inside and opening the compartment can still maintain a cool temperature to a certain extent. The car has 26 storage spaces throughout, making it convenient for girls to store small, miscellaneous items, which really appeals to female users. The central control screen offers 3 modes: rest mode, car wash mode, and rain and snow mode. We just experienced rest mode, which slightly adjusts both front seats into a semi-reclined position for people to relax, automatically adjusting the air conditioning and ambient lighting together. So whether for workers taking a midday break or couples going camping, wherever you stop, it becomes a spot to rest. Meanwhile, we also see a 14-speaker headrest audio system inside the car, so the driver listening to navigation won't interfere with the passenger listening to music or watching movies. The second class above feature in this model is the 50-inch AR-HUD right above my steering wheel. On its windshield projection, our navigation, lyrics, blind spot alerts, and vehicle speed can all be directly projected onto it. And it can also interface with our intelligent driver assistants, which is very convenient. Best of all, it can switch to a cinema mode when we park the car while waiting for friends. The road directly becomes our screen where we project our videos for a one-touch movie watching experience, which feels fantastic. The central console is equipped with a 15.6-inch 2.5K central control screen powered by the Snapdragon 8155 chip. This screen comes with dual AI models. One is DeepSeek and the other is Doubao, making route planning or answering questions in the car much clearer when we ask. For instance, our NFC smartphone key function is extremely useful to me. When girls go out, having one less item in the bag makes a big difference. So there's no need to carry a physical key to unlock the door, which is very convenient. Another point I think female or novice drivers will appreciate is its 540-degree transparent chassis. Small bumpy road sections, including whether the underside of your car is affected, can all be seen crystal clear. As I mentioned at the beginning, although its body dimensions and wheelbase are not particularly prominent in its class, the rear space is done very well. First, it has a completely flat floor, and the seat cushions share the same softness and wraparound support with a 10-layer cloud soft material. The rear lumbar section lacks electric adjustment, so the waist support isn't quite as comfortable as the front. But I think the overall seating experience is completely fine. You feel pleasantly cradled inside. What else? There are independent rear air conditioning vents, a small storage cubby below, and a Type-C charging port in the middle, making the charging ports in the car more than enough for the whole family. Above, there's a panoramic sunroof equipped with a physical sunshade. I think the rear space is done very well because, as you can see, given my height, I don't feel cramped at all. And head and legroom performance are both great. Having discussed the thoughtful details inside and outside the car that appeal to female users, let's talk about its core capabilities. As everyone knows, Dongfeng Aeolus is carefully selected by a state-owned enterprise, making it a guaranteed high-quality product. For a pure electric vehicle, some might worry about slow charging efficiency or inaccurate battery range. This time, it is equipped with a large 62 kWh battery, delivering a CLTC range of 535 kilometers. Furthermore, charging from 30% to 80% takes only 20 minutes in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee or have a quick meal. The battery is fully charged, which is very convenient. Its battery this time comes with military vehicle-grade casing protection, ensuring that it won't catch fire or explode during collisions, impacts, compression, or water immersion. It features 24-hour all-day monitoring, so regarding safety, you can trust Dongfeng Aeolus's quality. To summarize, the Dongfeng Aeolus L8Y captures the small details that matter to female users and families alike. First is an indisputably good-looking exterior, which looks fantastic in this glazed purple. Second is the unbiased dual seat-position seating inside, keeping both the driver and passenger comfortable. Third is the 50-inch AR-HUD provided up front, making driving safer for both men and women when using it as a family car. Overall, if your price choice is around the $14,000 level with your budget set here, and you are looking for a pure electric model that meets aesthetic needs, interior quality, and especially seat comfort, then I think you should check out the Dongfeng Aeolus L8Y.